Oh, hello everyone. Welcome to today's video. We're in a cool spot. Glad to have you here. We're just gonna relax. Yeah, dude, my favorite thing I've done over here today is watch this bird. So let me tell you about this bird. He came up, he was over here, he just looked all confident. Oh, and Coda's real confident too. She just came out of there.
Yeah, Sierra jumps to there too.
Yeah. Go for it, Codes, go.
Go for it, girl.
Go. Go. Anyways, this bird was up here, and then he like jumped over here, and then he like just dive bombed. It looked like he was gonna like just falling to his death. And he had a couple little flaps at the end, and he landed on that rock.
Oh, badass.
And then he started hopping around, and he hopped all around the shoreline, and I just watched him in amazement. I was like, this is cool. So yeah.
Yeah, this is a great spot for the dogs too.
Coda's trying to get this stick.
Oh, nice.
It's a little big.
He's like, I'm going big, Dad.
Yeah. What you doing? All right, dude. Sounds good. See you later. Brian's watching the Chiefs game, football game. I'm chilling by the river with Codes here. Good girl, yeah. Yeah, good job. So I will say, living full-time out of the tent, I mean, it's only been 3 or 4 days here, but it's quite an adjustment. You don't have a place to go inside. Standing up is a thing a lot of people talk about, like wanting to be able to stand up, and I agree. But I honestly think sitting down is the most important thing. If you look at some of my Throwback Thursday vlogs in the Dodge Mahal, you'll see that a lot of times I don't even pop the top. Just hang out with it down, and you know, I sit in there around the dinette, or I used to. I love that camper, and I'm excited to get the camper on this too. But the rooftop tent has been a fun challenge, and the James Root is super comfortable. I honestly couldn't imagine doing it out of any other tent at this point. I'm really getting comfortable with it and how to use it, and it's just, it feels like my home, even though it is just a bed. It feels more like a truck topper, or just a nice little space. Wide enough, it's the XXL, which I like, that I can really spread out my arms and however long I want. I mean, Coda and I have tons of room, enough room for a adventure gal as well. Just saying. Now we'll see. We're on the lookout. It's the golden hour. We've got food.
What's up, everybody?
Kitchen slide. We got carnitas, potatoes, and peppers.
Good stuff.
Of course, tortillas. Put them up in there. And Brian's gonna try truff hot sauce. Super weird, but I don't know.
Not me, the hot sauce.
Yeah.
That's debatable.
But no, it's good times. Wow, these colors just don't get old. Oops, I accidentally left my tortillas here, and something came and nibbled on them. Look at that. Probably a squirrel or something. Hopefully a squirrel. I was sleeping right up there while that happened. Funny. I feel kind of stupid for doing that. I've been making a bunch of little mistakes, and I've been kind of hard on myself, honestly. It's my first few days in this setup full time, and yeah, I've just got to roll with the punches, man. I mean, I feel like I've been doing this long enough to where you should just be able to get things dialed in quickly, but it's a lot of work. It's a lot to think about what you need up in the tent for nighttime, and just where everything goes, and not to leave your tortillas out overnight. I mean, that's kind of an obvious thing. I blame not having good systems for cooking and being down for that, but I've only cooked on this a couple times, so I gotta stop being hard on myself and just take it all as learning experiences, because you learn a ton out here. There's no mistake in that. He's back. I told Brian about him yesterday, and he came back. This is the tree he was on yesterday. What's up, dude? Thanks so much for watching my relaxing day at the river, hanging out with my new bird friend. Be sure to hit that subscribe so you don't miss the next episode. It's about to get real chilly here in Colorado, and we'll chat about how we're dealing with these extreme temperatures. So hit the like if you enjoyed the video, and of course let me know what you think in a comment below. Stoked to see you on the next one. The only question is, are you down to mod?